Hey folks, Adam here, and we're checking out this. It is a powerful 2048 watt hour supercharge power station that I absolutely love. Now this thing is probably the most powerful and impressive power station I've had a chance to use. You can see we've got 4 outlets right here. You've got plenty of USB-A and USB-C aligned right up. So that means keeping your smartphone charged. That means charging or keeping anything that runs off USB-A or USB-C running for hours and hours. And in our case, this freezer, this deep freeze right behind us, we are running it. And in our testing, this will keep it cold, ice cold for about 25 hours of full-time use. And that's pretty impressive. So on top of that, we've got the DC connection here. We'll go through all the ports for you. But yeah, this thing is impressive. You got the 12 volt, 12 volt, 12 volt, 10 amp, 3 amp, 3 amp, all right here for your DC. And this is pure sine wave. And what does pure sine wave mean? Well, to keep it simple, anything that's working like a motor, anything like that, a clock, anything like that, this is going to make sure that it runs smoothly, and it's going to help the longevity of your devices and not harm the innards of your devices. Now, I absolutely love this, and this little wheel, which we'll cover in the up close portion of the video, is going to change it from 400 watts, 800 watts, 1200, all the way up to 1800 watts with a twist right here. How cool is that? Now you can turn on and off each individual section, and this thing is lightweight and portable with that Life P04 battery. So folks, let's go ahead and check it out and kick it off with a video about this fantastic product. Now, first and foremost, for you folks that are worried about the environment, you can go ahead and you can charge this many ways. You can plug it into a wall, you can plug it into your car lighter if you were so inclined, or you could even run those solar panels to make sure that you are getting a great charge and not messing with the environment. Now on top of that, like I said, you've got the 4 outlets here, and this is pure sine wave. So this is a really smart device that even protects each of the panels to make sure moisture isn't getting in and each one stays safe. Now, I have to tell you that this is a tremendous brand as well. This is a brand that has been standing behind their products for a long period of time, making sure that you get value and a long-lasting battery. And in terms of the amount of times that you can reuse this, recharge it, recharge it, recharge it, these batteries have never been better. If you haven't bought a Life P04 battery in the last couple years, well, they just keep getting better, and you need to get one right now because they've really peaked the technology. Uh-oh, folks, the power is out. We got a battery-powered light back here, and we have this power station keeping our freezer running, and it's running. In our test, we've been able to do this for 25 hours, so no problem. Plenty of time for the power to come back on. Thanks to Hurricane Milton, the power's been going out here in Florida, and you know what? I know that I'm safe because I have this. I can run it to my solar panels, I can charge it with my car, and I can keep safe. So even if those batteries aren't as reliable in the lights, I got this thing keeping my fridge icy cold, keeping everything safe and secure to where I can still cook, not have to worry about bacteria growing, not have to worry about throwing out all that precious food. Thank goodness for this product. We're going to tell you a little bit more. So to recap, I love the fact that I can run my freezer, charge my phone, run my printer, run my computer, use it as a UPS backup, everything you need. Yeah, you can use it to keep your computer going despite those little blips in power. This thing is truly fantastic. And folks, the power's back on, so we're good to go. But yeah, this really saved us. Very fantastic device and saved me from having to throw out a lot of stuff. So folks, go pick it up. You will not be disappointed. This is where it's time. It's the call to action. Go pick one up. You're going to love it, and this is going to save you in that time of need. Get it before you need it. All right, folks, you know I love and appreciate you. Stick around for the up-close portion of the video for even more, where you get to see the unbox. We put that at the end of the video for people that want to see even more. All right, stick around. All right, folks, now it's time for our up-close portion of the video, where you get to see the product up close and personal as if you just got it out of the BOX. Now, this is in lithium-ion battery, And again, it's by that great brand that you've come to know and trust, and they just do great things. Now this thing is an outdoor generator that is really powerful. I can already tell that it's sturdy. I like the way the handles are designed to be built into the frame, and that's very nice. Now, we look at it, see if we can get that on camera. It's the outdoor generator, kind of the user manual. It says, we deeply appreciate your purchasing the P2001 Plus Portable Energy Storage Power Supply. Read the book carefully. All right, well that seems important. A few disclaimers and things. Okay, so we'll show the capacity, the life cycle, the weight is 22 kilograms. The Life P04 51.2 volt, 22 kilograms in weight, and it's a 12 volt, 10 amp cigar lighter. 2 USB-A, 2 USB-C, a USB-C that is powered to 45 watts, and the 12 volt 3 amp and the powered 100 watt. Wow, they really have everything in this. All right, so you can see how powerful this is, all the specs and everything right there in front of you. But yeah, what a great design. Now let's go ahead and see if we can get this a little bit brighter for you. There you go, and you're gonna start looking at the front of this. It has the power switch, of course, the AC switch, the DC switch, the USB switch, and the LCD switch. So you're going to turn on kind of each section individually, okay? Very straightforward. Coming to us with 46% charge, your mileage may vary there. And then you have the cooling inlets on the side, and the AC adjustment knob. Turn the AC adjustment knob, is that what this is? Whoa, that's pretty cool. Just make sure I have that right. Yep, that's the AC adjustment knob. Turn the knob to the corresponding gear to get your AC charging power of the corresponding gear. When using the AC fast charging gear, you need to ensure the output voltage for the power supply meets 110 to 120 or 200 to 240, etc. And yeah, so that is completely adjustable. That's very nice. Now, when you want to go ahead and start using your USB, you're going to press your USB, your DC, and your AC just at a push of a button. Very smart design, very powerful, and I have to say that this is a really nice screen that usually you're going to see some flicker or resolution on the camera, which you wouldn't see in real life, but this is really easy on the eyes. Okay? So it'll show you your charging time, your fan status, your PV charging mode, your lighter output, your fast charging, and your USB output all in here, your watts, etc. This is a really smart and straightforward design. Now, as we open these guys up, you can see the full plugs with the ground. So the 3-prong outlet, 20 amp, 20 amp, 20 amp, 20 amp. And this is a pure sine wave, which means it's going to be better for your sensitive equipment, okay? Now we're going to go ahead and just show you the side. It does come with a WARRANTY card. And look at this, everything to charge it, the outlet, the plug, everything here built in. That's really nice, and that closes up inside to where you never have to worry about losing it. All right, there's your charge and your solar charge right there, as well as your overload protection. Very smart, very straightforward. I really do like that a lot. And just to show you what that looks like, a straightforward design, right? On the other side, make sure we get that in frame a little better that time. 2,048 watt-hour supercharge. So yeah, this thing is incredible. All right, in the back we're going to see some labeling here. P2001 Plus, PV 500 watt max, 12 to 60 volt, 51.2 volt with the LFP, and it's a AC output of 2,400 watts. Wow, this thing is a beast. And it can be used as for the ups mode of 1,400 watts. So really impressive here from top to bottom, stem to stern. Now, one thing I do want to impress upon you is the overall quality of this thing. You can tell they've just made it nice, sturdy, stylish, sophisticated, and chic. All right, folks, another cool thing about this power station, you can use it to pretty much run any electric appliance in your kitchen. We're using it for our Vitamix. pulling 742 watts when it does that. That's pretty cool. You can use it for blenders, coffee makers, toasters, chef robots, everything in between. So just remember that this is powerful enough to even run those big kitchen appliances. So you got a power outage or you're just out and about camping and you want to bring that coffee maker, that blender with you. This is powerful enough to run all of those devices, even several at a time. And that's pretty cool for me, and it's pretty cool for you. So folks, if you're looking for the best of the best, guess what? This one is going to outshine the rest. Folks, go pick one up. You will not be disappointed. My name is Adam. We're talking about the best products in all the land, and this one has you covered. Thanks for watching, and adios, amigos.